UPS1. Number 1. Integrate cos of ln of x over x respect to x. First step, try to integrate directly. One cannot integrate directly, so next use substitution. Check this ln, this term ln x. When this one differentiate this ln x, get 1 over x. So let u is equal to ln x. We're going to replace variable x to variable u, new variable. Okay, like this one. Cos of ln x over x dx. A cos of u, which is u. Then now our aim is to get rid of dx. To find dx, we need to differentiate u with respect to x. Differentiate u, du, okay, equals 1 over x dx. And then, this is dx over x. Dx over x. Take this one as du. Okay, right? Cos of u dot du. Integrate cos. Answer is sin u plus c. Then substitute u to variable x. Is sin ln x plus c. Get the option sin ln x plus c. Okay, get the option. Number 2, given u equals 1 minus e power x, evaluate. Okay, integrate 1 over u plus 1 over 1 minus u with respect to u. Integrate ln u plus ln 1 minus u plus c and over negative 1. Go to ln u minus ln 1 minus u plus c, and then using the law of second law, ln u minus means over 1 minus u, okay, plus c. Then replace, given u is equal to 1 minus x. U is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, 1 minus ex. Okay, and then because of the option given in variable x, so you need to substitute u, okay, to variable x. Ln 1 minus c. So u is equal to 1 minus ex. 1 minus ex. Simplify. Ln 1 minus ex over 1 minus 1, 0, negative ex plus c. Okay, check option. Okay, need to simplify. Ln 1 over ex, separate two term. Okay, divide. C is equal to ln e power negative x minus 1 plus c. Ln e power negative x minus 1 plus c. So it is c. Okay, number 3. Find integrate x sin to x dx. One cannot integrate directly. Then also cannot use substitution. Then proceed to by parts. Okay, by parts. Integration by parts. Just left leg or leg. Okay, check. This is u. Okay, u. Polynomial or algebra. U. And the rest should be dv. Okay, dv. dv. The rest dv. So write down u is equal to x dv is equal to sine 2x dx. This is u. The rest should be dv. Okay, why? Because of the formula is integrate u dv is equal to v uv minus v du. This is the formula for IDP. Okay, and we need to differentiate u with respect to x. du is equal to dx. Integrate 1 with respect to v. Integrate sine 2x with respect to x. So the answer is v is equal to cos 2x and c negative over 2. Okay, then substitute in this formula u. Okay, this is u. Okay, substitute. Okay, right here u and u. Okay, and u is integrate x. Then dv. Okay, dv is dv. Here dv. dv. Sine 2x dx. So this is the same question. Okay, then v. Let's see this v. Yeah, v and v. Okay, and here is v is negative cos 2x over 2 minus negative cos 2x over 2 and du is equal to dx. Okay, follow the formula and simplify. Okay, plus 1 over 2 and integrate and cos 2x. Okay, 1 over 2 integrate sine 2x over 2 plus c. Okay, and then simplify negative x cos 2x over 2 plus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus c. Solution negative x cos 2x over 2 plus sine 2x over 4 plus c. This is the option. Number 4. Integrate 6 sine third x over third x respect to dx. Cannot integrate directly. Okay, and then use substitution. Okay, check this third x. Okay, let u is equal to third x. Differentiate u with respect to x. Get the 2 third x dx. Then substitute. Okay, 6 sine third x over third x dx. And check. Okay, this one bring a 2 to the left and 1 over third x dx. And check how this is dx over third x. dx over third x. This is considered 2 du. Okay, replace. Equal to 6 sine x is equal to u and dx over third x is equal to 2 du. Okay, so 12 integrate sine u respect to u and 12 sine cos u negative and plus c. Then negative 12 cos u is equal to third x plus c. So the answer is okay, settle for number 4. Number 5. Okay, check number 5. Check. Okay, this is exponent. Okay, bring up x squared times e power negative x cubed dx. And then try to integrate directly. Check power. This is x cubed negative x cubed and differentiate x cubed get 3x squared. So we can use basic rule of integration. Okay, fx, let fx is equal to negative x cubed, and f prime of x is equal to negative 3x squared. Using this basic rule of integration, or we call template, we integrate f prime of x dot e power fx dx is equal to e power fx plus c. Then try to substitute using this basic rule. Okay, f prime of x, f prime of x right here. Okay, negative 3x squared, and this is fx, right, fx here and here. Okay, but e power fx is negative x cubed. Okay, dx is equal to e power negative x cubed plus c. And check. Okay, check the initial question is x squared without negative 3. Okay, we should get rid of negative 3 by multiplying both sides by negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3 times negative 3, cancel. And the answer is x squared e power negative x cubed dx is equal to negative 1 over 3 e power negative x cubed plus c. Okay, answer, or bring this one down. Okay, e3 e power x cubed plus c. Negative 1 over 3 e power x cubed plus. The answer is A. Therefore, number 5. Number 6. Evaluate e power 2 sin theta cos theta from pi over 3 to pi with respect to theta. And okay, the power sin theta, differentiate sin get cos. So we can use basic rule of integration. Let fx equal to 2 sin theta. Okay, f prime x, differentiate this one fx, get 2 cos. Okay, using the template, the template is integrate f prime of x dot e power fx dx is equal to e power fx plus c. This is the basic rule of integration for exponent, and substitute. Follow the this one, the template. F prime of x is equal to 2 cos theta, e power fx is equal to 2 sin theta, and d, this is d theta is equal to e power fx. Fx is equal to 2 sin theta plus c. And compare the initial question without constant. So we have to get rid of 2, multiply both sides by 1 over 2. Then simplify, write same like the question. E power 2 sin theta cos theta d theta is equal to half e 2 sin theta. Then given the lower limit, upper limit, okay, pi over 3 pi. So okay, substitute the value. Okay, this value pi over 3 pi. Okay, next step, substitute the value pi here. Half e 2 sin pi minus, or take half. Okay, e power 2 pi over 3. And you can use calculator. Okay. Half sin pi is equal to 0. So e power 0 is equal to 1. Minus 2 pi over 3. Okay, 2 pi over 3. I think this one got sign. Okay. 2 sin pi over 3. Okay. Okay, sin pi over 3, sin 60 is equal to sec 3 over 2. Sec 3 over 2, this is sec 3 over 2. Sec 3 over 2. Sec 3 over 2. Okay, times 2. So, answer is e power sec 3. Okay, option 1 over 2. 1 minus e power sec 3. Okay. 1 over 2. 1 minus. Okay, this will be B option. Okay. Number 7. Determine. Okay. This function. Okay, can be separated 1 by 1. Okay, so this one is equal to 8e power 3x over 7ex minus e power 2x over 7ex plus 9 over 7e power x in bracket ex. Then this one 8 over 7 bring up here e power 3x dot e minus x. So 3x minus x e power 2x. Then minus 1 over 7. Okay, this one e power 2x times e power negative x. 2x minus x equals ex plus 9 over 7 bring up e power negative x. Then integrate 8 over 7 e power 2x over 2. Okay, the minus 1 over 7 e x, this one 1 over 1. Okay, plus 9 over 7 e power negative x. Okay, so negative 1 plus c. And then rewrite. Cancel here. 4 over 7. So can be cancelled. Okay, and then 4 over 7 e power 2x minus 1 over 7 e x minus 9 over 7 e plus x plus c. The option. This one not the option. Just see. Okay, and check. And into plus. So answer is okay. Okay, this one is quadratic. X squared minus 4 can be factorized. X plus 2 over x plus 2 times x minus 2 dx. Cancel this term. And okay, rewrite 1 over x minus 2 dx. Integrate. Okay, ln x minus 2 plus c. So the answer is, let's settle for number 8. Number 9. Number 9, cannot integrate directly. This is, we need to use partial fractions. Okay, take this one. Coefficient. Take this one here. Okay. 1 over 1 plus x, 1 minus x equal to a over 1 plus x plus b over 1 minus x. Going to find a and b. Okay, unknown a and b. Compare this one and out. Get rid of the denominator. Okay, time 1 plus x, 1 minus x to the both side. 1 plus x, 1 minus x to the both side. Okay, this one cancel, get 1. Okay, this term times this, cancel 1 plus x, get a times 1 minus x plus Okay, this term times this, cancel 1 minus x, 1 minus x. So the answer is b times 1 plus x. And substitute the value, let x is equal to 1. Substitute left and right. Okay, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2b. Therefore, b is equal to 1 over 2. The next is substitute when x is equal to negative 1. On the left hand side, 1. 1 minus plus, so 2a. 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1 over 2. Then substitute a into here. Integrate 1 over 1 minus 1 plus x, 1 minus x. Dx is equal to a over 1 plus x. A is 1 over 2. Okay, 1 plus x plus b is 1 over 2. 1 minus x dx in bracket, or take 1 over 2 outside. Just integrate 1 over 1 plus x plus 1 over 1 minus x dx. Integrate. Okay, and this one involve ln 1 plus x. Okay, ln 1 minus x over negative, so negative, and plus c. Okay, check option or simplify. Proceed. Okay, 1 over 2 ln 1 plus x over 1 minus x. Okay, this one using the second law of log plus. Okay, option. Okay, this option. No, not half. Not. So that is. Okay. Number 10. Given that, okay, ln x, integrate ln x, get x ln x minus x plus c. Then, hence, using this one, integrate ln set x dx. Okay, ln set x dx. Okay, this one is half actually. Ln x power half dx. Then bring half. Okay, and dx and check. Okay, this term ln x is equal to this one. Okay, that's right. All here. 1 over 2 x ln x minus x plus c, or plus c. Okay, so the answer is half x ln x minus x plus c. Number 10. Okay, number 11. Find the shaded area in the diagram below. So this is the shaded area. Okay, trying to find area. So find the area from 0 to 2. Okay, find the area from 0 to 2. Integrate with respect to. So here, this curve is above the second one. So write this one first. Ex. Okay, the second one is this line. Okay, y equals x plus 1, x plus 1 minus. Okay, minus. And then integrate from 0 to 2 in bracket. Okay, and x simplify before integrate. E power x minus 1 dx. Integrate. Okay, that's will be minus x squared over 2 minus x from 0 to 2. Substitute value. E squared. Okay, 2. 4 over 2 is 2 minus 2. And make sure this one is substitute. Okay, don't assume this is 0. Okay, minus e power 0 minus 0 and simplify. Okay, simplify. E squared minus 4. Okay, minus e power 0 is equal to 1. So total simplify e squared minus 5 unit squared. The answer is A. Number 12, find the volume of the solid generator when the region bounded by x squared, quadratic, x-axis, and the lines x equals -1, x equals 1 is rotated 360 about x-axis. Sketch the graph. Quadratic x, the graph y equals x squared, and the line x-axis here, x-axis, okay, x-axis, x is equal to -1, okay, x equals -1, and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. The area is determined by this given one, and rotated about 360, rotated 360 about x-axis, okay, and then find the volume. So we want to find the x-axis. The formula is pi y squared dx from A to B. Okay, so for this question, from -1 to 1, from -1, okay, and the curve is, okay, right by side, dx. The curve is x squared. Okay, and then next step is, okay, let's rewrite x power 4 dx, integrate, and then pi x power 5 over 5 from -1 to 1. Substitute value. Okay, 1 minus -1. So 1 minus plus 2 pi over 5. So it's 2 pi over 5. Number 13, determine the order degree of DE. The order is the highest derivative in DE. The highest derivative. Okay, this is power 4. Okay, differentiate up to 4 times. Okay, so this one is D, just 1 time differentiate. This is the order. Okay, the order, the highest derivative in a DE. Okay, then find the degree. The degree is the highest power of the highest derivative. The highest power of the highest derivative. So the highest power is 1. The highest power is 1. Order is the highest derivative. The highest derivative is 4. So fourth order, first degree. Okay. Number 14. Solve the DE. This one given the DE. Okay, try to do separable variable. Check, this is x. This is x. This is x function. Okay, and then first thing you need to separate. You make sure on the left hand side dy something on the dx on the right hand side. So this y belongs to y here. Y. Okay, remain y. And for x variable, okay, bring to right. It's x over bring to right. So everything is same variable. Okay, y dy, x to dx. Then integrate. Okay, rewrite. Okay. Here is x squared over x can be simplified to x minus 5 over x in bracket, and integrate y respect to y squared over 2, and x respect to x squared over 2, and then 5 over x, integrate 5 ln x plus c, and check. Okay, need to multiply all 2 by 2, and then y squared equals x squared, so minus, here is 10 ln x plus c. Multiply all actually. Multiply all. Okay. C. Okay, so answer is y squared equals x squared minus n, x plus c. Number 15, solve the DE. Okay, this one, dy minus x dx is equal to 0 if the curve passes through point. This is value for x, value for y. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Okay, first thing check, bring this term to one side to the right. Okay, and dy equals x dx. Then to get y, okay, integrate both sides. Integrate, so it's 1. Okay, integrate 1 with respect to y. Okay, y power 0, right? Y, okay, y. And then integrate x with respect to x, x squared over 2 plus c. Then substitute this value to this equation. Okay, so x, y0, x1, 1 over 2 plus. Therefore, c is equal to negative 1 over 2. Next step. Okay, substitute c to this equation. Okay, so y is equal to x squared over 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay, option. Okay, proceed. Carry off times 2. Okay, then 2y equals x squared over 2. X squared minus 1. Check. Okay, or bring to one side in general form. And then check. Okay, 3, this one no. 2y no. 2x squared no. This one c. Or bring to the right. X squared minus 2y minus 1 is 0. So answer is C. Number 16, solve the linear differential equation. Okay, given this in general form, this equation dy dx plus 1 over x, y is equal to x squared. Okay, this is our first step. Second step, identify px is equal to 1 over x, qx is equal to x squared. The third step is find Vx integrating factor formula. This is a formula. Okay, integrate Px 1 over x. Px is equal to integrate 1 over x is ln x and simplify, answer is x. Number 4, multiply Vx, okay, to the first equation. Multiply x to the equation x. Okay, dy dx plus 1 over x y, and this one is x squared, right? And number 5 is okay, write in the form product rule. D dx, inside here is Vx dot y. Okay, so Vx is equal to x dot y is equal to x cubed. Okay, proceed to number 6. Rewrite in integrate. Rewrite e dx xy is equal to x cubed. Okay, write integral. Okay, respect to x on the both side. Then the next integrate. Okay, this one differentiate and integrate. Just we write xy is equal to integrate x cubed x power 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, step 7. Divide x, write y in terms of x. Okay, x power 4 divide x cubed over 4 plus c over x. Okay, that's step 7. Check option. So we said that the formula is Vx dot y is equal to Vx dot qx dx. So this is the formula. So for the purpose of the objective, Okay, first thing, find Vx. After number 3, okay, just jump to substitute the formula and get the answer. Okay, so for this one is actually step 1. Okay, write. Okay, and identify. Step 2. Step 3 is find. Step 4, multiply. Step 5, write in the product rule. Step 6, I integrate. Step 7, divide. So, ref and read. Let's apply. So, the answer is check the option. So, the option is until step 6. XY. XY. Is it XY good? No. No. This is XY. The XY, X power 4 over X plus C. The answer is B. Number 17. The increase in number of factorial n in a certain factor is given by n equals 1000 e power 0.15 t by t time in hours. If the initial number of factorial initial number is t is equal to 0, at present is 1000, t0 n equals 1000. After how many hours? After how many hours? How many hours has the number of n double? N double means that one is from 1000 to 2000. Okay, we want to express using table. Okay, here is at beginning 1000 means t is equal to 0, and when n double, find. Okay, so using this given formula, n is equal to 1000 e power 0.15. Okay, just substitute this value, okay, to here, and 2000 1000 e power 0.15 t. We're going to find t. Okay, and then we cancel this one, get 2. Okay, right, this one rewrite is equal to 2. In area of exponent, take ln to the both side. 0.15 t is equal to ln 2, and okay, t is equal to ln 2 over 0.15. And this calculator, we give answer 4.621. So t equals 4.622 t. Number 18, the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 equals 0 is to be solved numerically using Newton-Raphson method. It's the formula for the iteration. The formula is xn plus 1 plus xn minus fxn over f prime of xn. Okay. So compare the formula given. This is xn. No, this is not the option. Maybe this one is not the option. And compare between this. Here is fxn. Fxn. Okay, substitute. So it's actually xn. Good. 2xn squared plus 3 xn plus 8, and then f prime of x. F prime of x, okay, here is 3fx is equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 8. F prime of x is equal to 4x plus 3. So f prime of xn, okay, 4xn plus 3. Then substitute. Here is fn, okay, fn, okay, and here is 1 f prime x, f prime x is here. So the option is C. Number 19, to solve the equation 2 sin x equals x by using Newton-Raphson method, the initial guess was chosen to be x equal to 2.0. The value of x obtained after one iteration will be closest to, so after one iteration, x1. So the formula for Newton-Raphson, xn plus 1 equals xn minus fxn over f prime xn. So fx given. Okay, before that, okay, from the given equation, 2 sin x equals x. Okay, as the bring x to the left. Okay, change to general form. Then write fx equals 2 sin x minus x. Differentiate f, get 2 cos x minus 1. Okay? And given x not is equal to 2.0, x1 is equal to 2.0 minus the fx here, fx 2 sin 2.0 minus 2.0 over, here is over 2 cos x minus 1 over, okay, over 2 cos 2.0 minus 1. And using the calculator, find the value. Okay, here given in 3 decimal places. While calculating, just give in extra 1 decimal. Okay. Now on calculator, make sure change to radian mode. Radian number 2. Then can fix. Okay, fix to 1. That is all. Okay, this one we can skip. Okay, and then here is substitute the value. 2 minus bracket 2 sin bracket, okay, just substitute 2 because of the first iteration, minus 2 close for numerator, divide open for denominator, 2 cos, okay, 2.0 minus 1 close for denominator, close for all, and is equal to, the answer is 1.9010. Okay, one iteration, that's 1. 1.901. So answer is B. Okay, settle for this one. Number 20, consider the data below. Given data, find the value of integrate fx from 0 to 2 with respect to x by trapezoidal rule. Okay, change this one, this data to column or table. Okay, table. Okay, this is x. This is fx. When x 0, 1, 2. When x 0, the value of fx is equal to 4. When x is equal to 1, the value is 3. When x is equal to, the value is 12. Okay, then you write x naught or x1, x1, x2, x2, x naught, x1, x2, x1, y naught, y1. Then find the total. 4 plus 12, 16. So it is only 3. And substitute in the formula. Integrate 0 to 2 fx dx. Okay, h over 2. Okay, 16 plus 2 times 3. H, we need to find h. Okay, h is equal to b minus a over n. And b is equal to 2. This is b. Okay, b is equal to 2 minus a 0 over n. N is equal to 1, 2. Okay, 2. Because of ordinate is 1, 2, 3. This is ordinate x. Ordinate 1, 1 to 3. So subinterval n is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 0 over 2, h is equal to 1. So okay, substitute 1 here and find rate of 16 plus 6, 22 and 11. The answer is A. Okay. Number 21. Using a unit uniform with the integral of x ln x from 1 to 2 with respect to x by trapezoidal rule is, okay, here is take h is equal to 1. Okay, if you do the table, okay, the table is h is equal to 1, x not x 1. Okay, and then here this is x. This is x ln x. When x is equal to x not starting 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So only 1 trapezium. Okay, only 1 trapezium. Okay, n is equal to 1 and ordinates 2. So the next step, if x 1, substitute 0. Ln 1, 0, 0. Okay, and when x is equal to 2, substitute 2. 2 ln 2. Use calculator. Your calculator give answer 1.3863. Okay, so give it 4 decimal places. Why? Because of here answer given in 3 decimal places. While calculating, give extra 1 decimal. And then total 0 plus 1.3863 equals 1.3863. It's 0, so 0. Using the formula, x ln x dx equal to approximate h over 2, 1 over 2, 1.3863 plus 2 times 0. And then here, you can use calculator. Answer is 0.6931 or 0.6930. Number 22. Given the integral, this integral is 3.83 using integration. When using integration using technique of integration or direct integrate for x squared plus 3x plus 2 from 0 to 1 respect to x, the answer is 3.83. This one integrate directly or using any technique of integration according the given function. And the next step, we try to find area using trapezium rule. Trapezium rule, when using trapezium rule, they integrate x squared plus 3x plus 2, the same function from 0 to 1 respect to x. So the answer is given 3.84. A trapezium only approximate the value. Okay, so with n is equal to 5. Means that 5 trapezium. Find the area. Integration direct. Okay, so the graph for integration, let's say the graph for quadratic is like something like this, from 0 to 1. So just find the area, all, include all area below the graph. Using the trapezium rule, okay, the graph, let's say the graph same graph, and 5. So 5 trapezium, okay, from 0 to 1. Okay, maybe something missing extra, so this is just approximation according the n given. N is equal to 5, the value is 3.84. So error is 0.01 between this. So how to reduce the error for this approximation? So according this graph, when n is bigger, okay, so when n is bigger, to find the error of trapezium, okay, the value is decreased. So we need to increase the number of n. So the answer is increase the number of n strips. Okay. So that's all for the pre-UPS.